Well, hi Sharon. Thanks.
Hello, Susan.
It's Susan from PaperCraftCentral, and I have Sharon Dalton with me today to
Hello.
talk about scrapbooking and a beautiful group of Facebook people that she's put together. Sharon and I have known each other for a while, and she's actually the owner of Studio Shabazz in Gogango in central Queensland. And she's agreed to let me interview her. So how long have we known each other?
10 years or more?
At least,
Yeah. At least.
We've had the privilege of getting together quite a few times with card making and scrapbooking. More card making for me, more scrapping for Sharon. And I wanted to tell you about her wonderful group, which is called
Scrapbooking Global, Stamping Up.
Yes, and it's on Facebook, right?
Yep, that's right.
That's right. So you've been a scrapper for a long time, haven't you, Sharon?
Since 2002, I've been a scrapper.
Okay.
So quite a long time. Started with a different company, but now I'm very happy with Stamping Up.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
And she also happens to be in a great team.
Yes, Susan.
In my team. Okay, so what made you think of starting Scrapbooking Global, a group for scrappers on Facebook?
I noticed something on demonstrator party planning, and there were people calling for Stampin' Up to be used in scrapbooking. So there was about 5 of us who were chatting on demonstrator party planning, and we decided that we would create a group. So I started it off on about January 17, I think it was, in 2017. So we've just had our 2-year anniversary.
Congratulations.
And we've got about 4,400 members about.
In less, what is it, like 2 years?
2 years, yeah.
Very well done. Yeah. So I've got a little list of questions here I was going to ask Sharon. Well, it sounds like it was demonstrators that wanted this.
Yes,
Stampin' Up demonstrators.
It was demonstrators, but it's for everyone, anyone who uses Stamping Up products, who loves to scrap. It's just for inspiration and to see how products are used.
I've certainly used it for inspiration.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the purpose is to obviously showcase Stampin' Up products.
And most definitely, and scrapbooking, and show how that you can just use Stampin' Up products. You don't need to use generic products. You can make beautiful layouts with our papers, our inks, and our ribbons and stuff like that. So
yeah, we certainly have some beautiful embellishments. Yes,
most definitely.
So you must have been surprised to get so many people join you so quickly.
Yeah, no, it grew really, really quickly. And then over the years now, we've just got more and more members. And when people come in, they invite their friends who are sometimes demonstrators, who are sometimes just the public. And so our group has grown quite significantly. Yeah,
it'd be a big job keeping track of over 4,000 members. So I know you have a design team.
Yes, we have a design team. Yeah. We have a group of admin who help me do all of the, keeping track of members and their approvals and stuff like that. But just about June last year, I decided to see if I could get a design team together. So I contacted a couple of my friends, and then they got their friends involved. So we've got 6 design team members now, and we're currently calling for guest design team members.
Okay, and they come from all over the world.
Yeah, most definitely.
Yeah. So what countries?
Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the Netherlands, and I'm probably missing someone.
Was there one from France?
Oh, there's the admin from France. Yeah, I can't think what the other ones are.
So it's an international design team.
Yeah.
And so what do you see as the future for this group, Sharon?
I just think it'll continue to grow. Now that we've got challenges and stuff like that every month, I think that more and more people are coming to the site to get inspiration and to use the challenges to make them create. I know for myself, if I have a challenge, I can create much more quickly. Yeah, so
Yeah, well, that's great. So anyone that wants to join Scrapbooking Global on Facebook,
yep.
please do look up Sharon. Sharon will be in the group as the leader of the group. And
it takes a team to make this all happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for inviting me into Studio Shabazz and this
No
beautiful,
worries.
beautiful mural on her wall that she painted. And,
I didn't paint it. I had my friend paint it. I'm not that talented.
I thought you did. Okay.
Yeah.
But no, thank you very much for talking to me today and for allowing me to tell all the PaperCraft Central subscribers what you do on Scrapbooking Global.
Thanks, Susan.
So, all the best.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, don't forget to get in touch with Sharon if you'd like to join her Scrapbooking Global team.
Yeah.
Okay.
No worries. Thank you.
Bye. Now.